Good morning, everybody. So happy 1st of March, and I hope you guys had a nice weekend. Let me share with you now this slide that we are going to work on for this morning. So here comes the slide. So we're going to start our day with our English, and you will be exploring some poetic techniques, and you will be encountering some not actually new words. These are words that you already have encountered before. So basically it's going to give you a little, a little chance, or it will give you a little chance for you to discover something from the poem, the way through the roots. So if you see it here, we are going to learn poetic techniques, and you will be expressing your personal opinion about the poem. So here we have under Wilf, you will be identifying assonance in poem correctly. You'll figure it out. It's very self-explanatory, and you're going to see those on the next slide. And after that, sorry, English, you will be working with your buddy. And so we have here, which is found as well on your learner's book. You grab your learner's book if you think you cannot easily understand or you cannot easily answer on this slide, but then the official answer should be written on this slide. So here we have the meaning of of different poetic terms or words, and then all you need to do down here at the bottom is to give me more examples. All right. So basically, if you're going to be working with your buddy, then you are definitely free to conduct a little research because, of course, you're on your device. So hope you and your buddy will work together. After that, there will be questions found at page 90 of your learner's book. But then the final answer should be typed in this slide so I can check your work later. So everything here is also found on your learner's book, the questions. But the necessary questions that you need to answer is found on the slide. So make sure you will have your final answer here on the slide. After English, after you guys have answered this, you and your buddy, please let me know so I can tell you what is the best thing for you to do. So we're going to have 5 minutes break after English. We definitely need to stretch and use the toilet, and we proceed in math. Math, we will learn something new today. This is called perimeter. Some of you probably is very good at it already. If not, so please explore this slide very well. So what we are going to achieve at the end of this lesson is that you will be defining perimeter on your own words, and you need to use a formula to calculate perimeter of a polygon. I know for sure you guys know what the polygon is. If you don't know, go to Google, go find a way to research about that, because we will discuss it after you have come up with your answers first. Then we will clarify certain questions once we are in the Zoom meeting. After that slide here, you will have a let's investigate. Again, at the bottom, it's asking you for your guess. So if you really do not know how to calculate the perimeter of this let's investigate challenge, it's okay. I really do need to know your initial learning about this topic. But if you know, go ahead, please answer or write down your answer in the box. After that, if you got it correct, if you got correct the answer, you need to explain to me how did you get your answer. But if not, then you leave that slide empty. And the next slide then will explain to you what is perimeter. And if you got it in just image, looking at the image and reading what it means, very good. If you need to click this video just to, support you more, please go ahead. Again, it depends on how you manage your time. After that, if you got it wrong, the Let's Investigate challenge, you will then take your, take another shot, try to answer it after you have clearly identify what is perimeter. So after the let's investigate, you will have series of questions about here. There are words that probably are new to you, like pentagon, hexagon, octagon. I don't want to tell you about it right now, but feel free to conduct a research about it, and then we will discuss everything that you have been through during our Zoom meeting. And then you will write down your answer in the box. And then the last thing you're going to do for math is you will answer this exit ticket. wherein I'm going to ask you what is the perimeter of this rectangle. 3 rectangles we have here. We have yellow, orange, and purple. After math, we're going to have our snacks. All right, so please make sure you're having healthy snacks for today. Then we're going to have science after we have snacks, and we are going to go back to the previous experiment that you had last Friday. I've checked your work, so I think we need to clarify some things on that. So we are going to identify and sort opaque, transparent, and translucent objects. And these two is going to be done as a body work. So here you will have to answer series of questions about opaque, transparent, and translucent objects. Here are the definitions of the 3 different materials of different things. And then I know for sure if you have read this definition, you will be able to answer the following questions. All right. So basically, that's what we are going to do for this morning, everybody. You're going to have English, math, and science. All right. Let's have a good Monday, and I'll see you in a bit.